The community guidelines violation. It is a huge pain in the ass. Believe me, I understand. It's something that has happened to me multiple times, so I'm here to teach you how to fix that and avoid it. So sit back, grab a drink and a notepad and let's go. So community violations on TikTok can come from two sources. First is the TikTok's AI system, which detects content that might be going against the community guidelines. And the second one is a mass amount of reports on your video. So the most important thing that I would encourage you to do is get familiar with the community guidelines. And I'm telling you because I have screwed up in the past. I've made an entertaining video series about phone numbers you should never call, and the videos were performing great. But suddenly, multiple of those videos got taken down. I was banned from posting for several days, I had no clue what was going on, I thought that I was targeted for the wrong reasons. So then I decided after some months to re-upload to remake the series. And I get banned again. I was banned from the creator fund for 6 whole months, which meant that I was losing several thousands of dollars. And to my surprise, posting about phone numbers is against the community guidelines. But then there are some mysterious cases where your videos get taken down or you get banned from some specific action and you don't know why. I had a video taken down for bullying while the video was about aliens. In these cases, I know that if you get a video taken down and you appeal and nothing happens, you should delete that video, because it can affect your reach and it might get you shadow banned. I don't have all the insider knowledge, but it is said that it helps. Then I would suggest to stay away from any topics that are controversial, not even including hashtags or keywords that might be controversial. That can be politics, religion, conspiracies and many more. Another friend of mine and content creator had made a video about something political. The video was getting some traction, but then it got taken down because it was controversial and his account never recovered. By the way, make sure to stick with me because in a little bit I will tell you how to keep your account safe. Next is the content appeal. In the past, TikTok had a better system for appealing decisions. However, it's still worth a shot, even if you believe that you are wrong in that situation. But the key here is contacting TikTok. I did a huge research on how to contact TikTok and many different emails they have, and I did manage to talk to them and get my video restored. In the description I will leave any possible method of contacting TikTok, and I will also include a link to an official TikTok form where you can basically state your issue and get in contact with TikTok. This stuff works and it is your best shot to getting unbanned. Just go and read the description, where you will also find my free product I made for you. No courses or upsells or anything like that, I promise. It is 80 plus hooks you can use in your videos with tips, explanations and more. And you will also join my email list where I will be sending you emails about social media tips, content creation and much more. Now let's talk about how to keep your account safe and avoid community guidelines violations. Believe me, it's really important to know this. The first two tips we've already mentioned. Read the community guidelines and be cautious with controversial topic. Next is something that is often overlooked, and it is creating original content. Not only it will help you grow, but you will also avoid copyright problems which might get your video taken down. TikTok's algorithm is getting better and better over time, so be careful with all that. Next, something you wouldn't expect is moderating your comments. Not the comments you make, but the comments your audience makes in your videos. Offensive comments in your video might lead to reports, and that can damage your videos and account's health. Then some reverse psychology is reporting anything that is reportable and showing that you are actually reporting content that should be reported and that you're a valuable TikTok user. You show that you want to be in an environment that is safe and positive, and that can make a difference. So that's it. So now that you know everything about community guidelines violations, make sure you watch this video next, where you will learn everything about how the TikTok algorithm works. It is a complete guide and the only video you need to watch. So I'll see you over there.